Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to open and close our pop-ups on scroll. Interested? Let's get started. So first of all, let's go and create our pop-up. Go to the pop-up box plugin, click Add New, choose Type and Template, and let's go ahead with it. For finding the opening and closing options, we will need to move to the Settings tab. Here are the two needed options for us. So let's start from the pop-up opening. Here we can see the pop-up opening on scroll option. For activating this option, we will need to define the parameters for scrolling down. That is, we can write the pixels after scrolling which the pop-up will be displayed. For disabling this option, all we need to do is to leave it blank or write 0. So when we write the particular number pixels, the pop-up will be shown as the page has been scrolled by certain pixels. The scroll pop-ups are meant to display to the visitors who are interested in your page. That is, after scrolling down, they will be able to see it. Now let's go to the closing pop-up options. Here in the pop-up closing section, we can see the required option. The logic here is the same. Again, we will need to write the pixels and define the scroll length, after scrolling which the pop-up will be closed. We will need to choose a starting point on the page by pixels, and when the user gets to that specific point by scrolling down, the pop-up will not be visible again for the user. So that's all for today. Now you can create a pop-up and open or close it while scrolling down the page. I hope this video was useful for you and you will like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, see you soon!